There are a few different count functions in Google Sheets that are really helpful. The first one is just count, which will count how many cells contain a number. So maybe I want to know how many black bags were sold. I can use the count function to figure that out. I simply start with my equal sign and then my function name, which is count. I use my left parenthesis, and then I want it to count how many cells in the black category have numbers in them. So I select that whole column by clicking on column letter E, and then I press enter. And this tells me that 662 people are buying black bags of mulch. I also might want to know how many people have paid. If I want to see if a cell has text in it, I do the same thing, but I use the function CountA. So I start with my equal sign, and I use CountA as the function, type in my left-hand parenthesis, and then select the whole column O where it has whether or not they have paid for their mulch. I then press enter, and I can see that 602 people have paid. Another thing that you can do is you can use CountIf. So maybe I want to see how many individual sales were made by the varsity team. I start with my equal sign, and this time I use the function CountIf. And then I type my left parenthesis. For this one, we have two criteria. First, we have to tell it the range to look at, and then we have to tell it what it's looking for, and we do that within quotation marks. So for this, in the team category, that's our range. So I'm going to select the column K. Then I type a comma because I have to insert another criteria. And here I'm going to say varsity. So this will look in column K, and it will tell me how many times it finds the word varsity. And I can see that there have been 324 individual sales by the varsity team.